Clear Midnight Suns 19017. Let's do this thing. If it arrives in between the lunch and the night show, I will jump on and open it. Five times. Here we go. 1, powerhouse. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Scott. Bottom is TJ. That is 5 times. Let's get a sketch card. When was the last time we saw a sketch? All right. Left-hand side is Scott. Amy. No, they said in line. TJ 2, Bruce 1, and... Wait, that can't be right. Sorry, let's back up. Bruce, and the 2 for... So this one is actually meant to go to Jay. Then 2 for TJ, and 1 for Bruce. Apologies for that. Then it goes Earl. A name I forgot, I guess. Then Sue. Earl. James, Samuel, TJ. All right. Let's do Lee up first. Hawkeye, Sister Neil, shout outs. Beware. Vision Medallion, the Spellcraft Stories, and Jennifer Kale. Okay, one down. That Vision Medallion. One of the better ones. There are some characters I have never heard of in this product. Sammy Williams. Oh, that was just the flaw. Dr. Voodoo, Wave One Eye, Green Ghost Rider. I think this is a Platinum Vision Medallion. It is 10 of 100 Vision. Nice card to pick up. Strange Tales, Midnight Suns, Stacey Dolan. Very nice there. The Platinum Medallion is very popular. Vision. Just like I was saying, these are a good one to get. Jay Mayberry. Silver Sable, Calypso, Deathlock, and the Hellfire Mephisto. That's a cool card. Strange Tales, Wave by Night, Captain Marvel. James Lynn, NSW. Baron Skullfire, Electra, Jinx, the Blackheart Ultra Abilities. They're cool. Thaumaturgical Artifacts, the Crimson Bands of Satorak. That's a lot going on there. Louise Hastings. Bruce Sham. Dark Brucey. Dracula, Colossus, Cable, the Medallion of Dracula. Spirit of Vengeance, and Man-Thing. It's so wild that in a couple of years, so many things are about to enter the public domain. Amy Bertram, Blade, Domino, the green Spellcraft Stories of... Well, the Iron Fist is there. Iron Fist me. Lance Thaumaturgical, Clear Strange. Next is Scott Tobic. Mistress Death, Morlan, Storm, the Robbie Reyes. Medallion, Scarecrow. Next is El Dacade. Good luck, Earl. Morgan Le Fay, Blackheart, Black Panther, the Blade Medallion. That's sick. Mordred's Causeway and Elsa Bloodstone. Oh, something for Earl here. Lucas Cross, Van Helsing, Bancroft. It's the Dark Arts. Crystals of Sindira. That's cool. I like those. They're quite nice. I think it's an actual sketch. I think it's just made to look like a book, which is quite cool, in my opinion. Then we have Goose Rider. Okay. TJ gets the final 3. I don't know. I don't even enough of this to know what else we got. Adam Warlock, the blue of Falcon. Blue numbered to 180. Spoken Stories, Modern Domestic. And then Wasp and a Blackheart medallion. Cool dude. Strange Tales Blade, Cosmic Ghost Rider. Final pack. Lilith Drake, Dormammu medallion. And that is that for Fleer Midnight Suns 19017.